Hey everyone, it's Mac with Momentum, and we're here today to talk about how to add a new user to Google My Business. For those using Google for purposes to rank higher online or in local search, Google My Business is the perfect platform to get more exposure for your business from people searching locally. So if you're new to this, please hit subscribe. I'll be posting a lot of content like this about Google, SEO, web design, and digital marketing on our channel on YouTube every week. You can also follow us on Momentum Monday blog. So we're going to talk about Google My Business and how to add a new user. It's 5 easy steps. I swear it'll take you literally 90 seconds. So the first thing you want to do is log into Google My Business. You just got to go business.google.com, formerly called Google Places a couple years ago. Once in here, if you're a manager of multiple locations, you can sort of be admin or manager or community manager. You're going to choose the location in question. Those were just some test accounts in there, nothing too important. Once inside, you can watch one of my other videos that talks about how to optimize your Google My Business listing, add photos, create posts, create ads, respond to reviews, and all that good stuff. While inside, I'll just move myself over here. So once you're inside, you can use the app on mobile, or you can use your desktop, your PC. You're going to go to users on the left-hand side. So that's the next step. Really easy, guys. Once inside, you get to manage permissions. So what that means is, essentially, you can add a new user by inviting a new user here in the top right. From mobile, it looks a little different. And once you're in here, you can add their name if you're already associated with them in their, their Google account. Or you can add their email. So I'm going to add someone from our team. His name's Sean. So I could type in his email, and it's still going to pop up as him. And then you get to choose his role, so what permissions he has. You can go to this little article. We'll put the article in the link of the blog. I'm going to downsize here. Here it shows the permissions of owners versus managers versus site managers. So it's really the admin, the manager, and community manager, or the community person. Once inside, you get to choose these permissions. If it's someone who just manages your social media and some of your postings, and you want them to help out, I would just give them the community position, which is the site manager, instead of the manager or owner. The owner can actually add or remove other users like I'm about to. So only the admin can add or remove people and listings. The manager itself can basically do everything else other than that. And then the community person can only post or respond to reviews or change really basic information. So back in the account, I'm going to choose Sean as manager. So he can't add or remove people or listings, but he can do everything else in there. Change hours, change locations, all that good stuff. So I got a little dark in here. So now you're just going to hit invite. They're going to get an email to their inbox, and they're also going to be able to log in using their own account. They don't need a new account. So now you just hit done, and that person has been invited to be the manager or whatever role you chose. Make sure you subscribe. I post a lot about everything Google related, having worked at Google before starting the agency. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can just check out the blog, the link, and other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and talk to you soon.